Welcome to Daily Learning French. In today's lesson, you're going to learn useful French phrases you can actually use in real conversations. Today's topic, greetings. Remember, just a few minutes of daily practice can make a huge difference over time. So I will leave space after each French word to give you a chance to repeat it out loud. Practice makes perfect. Okay, allons-y. Hello. Bonjour. Hello. Bonjour. Goodbye. Au revoir. Goodbye. Au revoir. Nice to meet you. Enchanté. Nice to meet you. Enchanté. Hello. How are you? Bonjour. Comment ça va? Hello. How are you? Bonjour. Comment ça va? Hello, Mary. How are you? Bonjour, Marie. Comment ça va? Hello, Mary. How are you? Bonjour, Marie. Comment ça va? Hello, my name is Alex. And you? Bonjour. Je m'appelle Alex. Et vous? Hello, my name is Alex. And you? Bonjour. Je m'appelle Alex. Et vous? Hello, Mrs. Dupont. How are you? Bonjour, Madame Dupont. Comment allez-vous? Hello, Mrs. Dupont. How are you? Bonjour, Madame Dupont. Comment allez-vous? Before you go, I've got something free to help you study. I created a free PDF called The 50 Most Useful French Phrases for Beginners. It includes practical phrases you can actually use in real conversations, plus it comes with a bonus worksheet to help you practice and remember it faster. It's perfect for complete beginners, or if you're looking to get some extra practice. You can download it for free using the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this lesson, you can check out our audiobook on Audible, also in the description below. Make sure to subscribe to Daily Learning French for more beginner-friendly French lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. À bientôt!